Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manani Art and Craft. So today I'm back with more video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful flower using tissue paper at your home in a minutes. So let's get started with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's get started with the procedure without any delay. So now take here a tissue paper, and you have to take the normal size of the tissue paper available at your home, and just you have to fold it into half and just trim it out in a size 5.5 centimeter and 9 centimeter. See, I have cut it beforehand, and now just trim the between point and just divide it into two parts. They are divided into two parts. Now just separate the layers of the tissue paper. Like this. You have to separate the layer of the tissue paper from the two portions. So similarly you will get 4 pieces of the tissue paper. So now just keep each layer on one another and just turn it like this and just fold it like this. In the process, top, bottom and front, back, like so. See, I have done it in the process as I have told you, in the front, back. And now after that, take here a piece of thread or a wool and just keep it in the center and just tie a knot tightly. With instead of wool also you can use the steel wire, but for the better process I'm using a wool, and just tie the second knot and just trim off the excess portion of the wool. Now just it is tied properly. Now just you have to, using your fingers, just bring close these feathers of the tissue paper together, and now just start picking the layer of the tissue paper and just using your finger twist them to give the shape of a flower. It's very easy to create, as you can make these flowers for your flower pot, or you can just gift it as a gift, or for the bouquet you can make, or for the beautiful sentiment.
In next video I will make a flower pot using these flowers.
So see, I have picked all the layers. Now just similarly pick the layer from the second one side. Now just I have picked the layers of the second one part also, and just using your fingers, just try them to give the shape of a flower. Now take here a green color paper of size 5 centimeter by 11 centimeter, and just using your finger twist this corner and just start rolling it up to the end and just form a thin stem. Now see, I have rolled it up to the end and just using Fevicol secure the end. Now see, just cut this triangular part of the stem from the both sides. Now just take your scissor and divide the top part into 4 layers like this. Just using your finger, just bend these layers like this and just finger press them. Now see, just take back your flower and just add glue to this stem. On the 4 parts and in the center, and just take your flower and just turn it back and just stick this stem to the center of the flower to make it stem. And just you can carefully use the flower for your official purpose, like this. So see how beautiful it is looking, and you can make it in minutes for your home to decorate your rooms, etc. Or you can just create these flowers on the festival and you can decorate your own purpose hall, etc. So I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications, and I will be keep coming to you with such more innovative ideas. So till then, bye bye. We will meet in the next video.